Okay, so my friend called me and told me that her AC kept tripping the circuit breaker and it would only start after it trips it for the third time. And I told her what you could try is just turn the AC fan on first, run it for 15 seconds to 30 seconds, and then turn on the compressor, which can be low cool or high cool depending on the type of AC. So she sent me a photo of her AC and it's a Friedrich. And after doing what I told her, her AC was able to run without tripping the circuit breaker. Now, of course, this doesn't mean that her AC is fixed. I think her condenser fan motor probably needed to be lubricated. I don't think it's the fault of the run or start capacitors because they seem to be working fine. Because if the compressor capacitor is not working, it wouldn't even turn on or stay cool. So I told her if she gets a chance, she can either have it checked professionally or she can try pulling the AC unit out and lubricate the shaft, or if there are any oiling ports in the motor, she can try to lubricate the motor. So once you have the chassis out, aside from lubricating it, you can also check the condition of the capacitors to see whether they are in good condition or not. So I also found some additional information on a website which you can troubleshoot further her air conditioner. And I put a link at the end of the video to that website where you have the troubleshooting information. So at least on this very hot day, she was able to get her AC unit running without tripping her circuit breaker. Okay, thanks for watching.